Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your Vanilla Visa card is not working. So all you have to do is go here in vanillaprepaid.com and let's just add some random numbers. So let's just do like this, that, and random. So it's not gonna work as the first, so when you press continue it's not gonna work. So what I recommend you try to do is turn off your ad blockers right here. I've seen multiple people do it and get the right information. So let's just put on some random numbers and there you go. When you press continue, it's supposed to actually place your check balance here. Your balance is gonna appear right here and it's gonna be updated. But of course, it's not gonna work right there because I don't really have a real vanilla gift card, but it's gonna work as long as you turn off your ad blockers off. It's just that simple. Because when you have your ad blockers on, it's not gonna work as expected. So there you go guys, that is how you fix your Vanilla Visa gift card if it doesn't work. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.